Unlock the full potential of your hatchery. Efficiency, precision, and control. Powered by TREGG. Automation has made hatcheries faster, smarter, and more precise. But machines still work alone, and real control remains out of reach. Imagine if everything worked together. Imagine having complete insight and control over your hatchery, anytime, anywhere. With TREGG Base, we capture key performance data like procedure time, flock details, and success rates across machines and flocks. Take our live embryo detection machine, where we monitor live chicks, early and late deaths. It's detailed, reliable, essential. But let's be honest, nowadays collecting data doesn't cut it. It's not what you collect, it's what you do with it. That's where TREGG Advanced steps in. It connects every step of your hatchery, from egg arrival to chick dispatch. Everything working together as one system. You don't just see what's happening, you understand why. So you can act before problems arise, not after. That's not only more efficient, but also more sustainable and profitable. The world needs more using less. More efficiency, more precision, more certainty, more control. From data to insight to action. TREGG. Unlock the full potential of your hatchery.